Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. I hope you guys are okay. So first, I'm sorry for not posting videos these days because I'm taking some certifications from Microsoft. Well, today on this video I'm going to show you guys how to use Anonsurf. Anonsurf is like a VPN for Tor network. Alright, you're going to route all your all your navigation through Tor network. Okay, so normally doesn't come with Kali, but come on Parrot OS. Alright, so to do that, we're just going to open it, and then we are going to get it on GitHub. Okay, so github.com. Just type here Anonsurf. Okay, let me see which one is it. Parrot sec. Okay, so we have here. Well, let me see something. Where is no? There's a one that it's already. How can I say? It's ready to install. Let me check on the link I have here. Okay, because I have a link here from someone. Yeah, under something. Let me see this one here. Okay, so we're going to clone it. Here, open terminal. Jesus Christ, what the fuck? Sorry, my bad. I don't know why. What the heck? Alright, so git clone, and then we just paste it here. Right, so cd Kali Anonsurf ls. So now it's sudo to install installer.sh, then your password, your sudo password. So it's going to give some errors because of the certificates get ip2.net, but it's going to install and will work anyways. Alright, so let's just wait a little bit. I'm on the universe right now, so I'm on classes. I have to watch it, you know. My coffee, excuse me. Okay. Yes, to continue, and then it's going to install it. So to run Anonsurf, the best way is use sudo, right? Because you're going to run with administrative or root privileges. Okay, let's just finish it. Well, it's why should you use like Anonsurf? If you want to do something crazy or illegal, I'm not recommending you guys to do anything illegal, right? Because you're never 100% safe, or you're never 100% anonymous on the internet. Okay, always someone is watching you. Always you'll be caught. Okay, so don't try to do any shit. This is just for education purposes. Okay, so if you want to open an account, or if you want to use a website that's blocked on your country, or if you want to use some resource that's blocked or it's denied by the ISP providers in your account, in your country, you should use Anonsurf. Okay, it's like a Tor. So you could use VPN plus Anonsurf, because you're going to use a VPN and then you're going to route all your connection through the Anonsurf. That's the same as Tor browser or IP2. Okay, so let me click here, and now we are going to say sudo Anonsurf status. Okay, so you see it's disabled, it means it's not running. How can we start it? It's very simple. Sudo Anonsurf start, and then it's going to start. Okay, so how can I be sure that Anonsurf it's running? Sudo Anonsurf my IP, and let's check the IP address. Right, the public IP address of our machine. So let's put it here, and then I'm going to close this, and then I'm going to open it again. Well, one of the ways to check is when you go to Google. Let me see something. Anonsurf my IP. I hate it when it happens. My IP address. So when you just go to Google and make some search, or when you try to look for something, it's going to ask you for the robots, like you're not a robot or anything of the kind. Okay, so here it's the public IP address, and well, the website's already in German, so just press here and let's check the IP address. My IP address. Okay, so let's try it. You see, we have to, our system have detected unusual traffic from your computer network. So you know, this is the public IP address, and you are already safe. Not remembering not 100%, because it doesn't exist. And if one tells you, hey, yeah, for sure you can be 100% safe or 100% anonymous on the internet, it's a lie, it's BS. Okay, so let's run this, and now let's check again. Sudo Anonsurf status. Okay, it's activated, so it's on, it's running, and well, we can just type Anonsurf help. Here we have start, we have stop, we have restart, we have change. Okay, the change is going to change your identity. Is restarting Tor. So if I do sudo Anonsurf change and press enter, it's going to restart. And if I close it and allow my sudo Anonsurf my IP, press enter, it's going to bring me a new one. Okay, so see, Nuremberg. Okay, so google.com. The one before was from Switzerland. Let's change again, just to be sure. See, and then here, let's check. It's going to bring us a new IP address. So Vienna. Okay, so google.com. Of course, your connection will be much slower using Anonsurf or any other kind of VPN. My IP address, but it's good for your safety, and of course, you'll be safer than normal, you know. Well, let's just this is right. So Jesus Christ, there's no crosswalks, and I hate this, man. There is no stairs. How Google can ask me for stairs? There is no stairs. Here, here, and here. This one. Alright, let's wait a little bit. Yeah, there's no bus, so press. Oh my lord. Jesus Christ, this is going to be so hard to do. Traffic lights. I don't care about traffic lights. The whole image. Let me see something. Huh. Let me see that. Yeah, there's, you know, it's a little bit insane because asking for taxes and there's no traffic lights, no. Motorcycles, no. Okay, my public IP.com. Let me see something. If there's any website with its name. No, my public IP.com. DuckDuckGo.com. Your IP address here. Okay, yeah, I couldn't check. So my public IP, because I love the go because it doesn't track people. So anyway, let's check for the IP address. Right, and yeah, here we are. Okay, Vienna. Here's the same region, Vienna, country Austria, and then postal code. Okay, Europe. What else? Well, we can stop it for sure. Sudo Anonsurf stop. So when we stop it, we just close the browser and we start it again. We open the browser again, and we are not over protection from Anonsurf no more. Okay, you guys see? Well, it's still actually. Let me see something. Sudo Anonsurf. Oh, Anonsurf. Yeah, it's stopping because it touches on IP tables, you see. So let me close it, and then let me reopen it. Google.com. Yeah, here we are. Okay, so that's it, guys. It's very easy to use, and it's very useful actually. Okay, so again, I don't recommend you guys doing some shit with this. I don't recommend you guys trying to hide yourselves because there's no 100%. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you like, give me a like and share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys on the next video.